Ruby on Rails is a popular web development framework, but it may not be the best choice for every project. Here are a few reasons why you may want to consider an alternative framework. Number 1 is performance. Ruby on Rails is a dynamically typed language, which means that it is not as efficient as statically typed languages like Java or C++. This can make Ruby on Rails applications slower and less scalable than applications built with other frameworks. The second reason is because of a lack of support for low-level operations. Ruby on Rails is a high-level framework. It does not have built-in support for many low-level operations that are commonly used in web development. This can make it difficult to interact with the operating system or perform other advanced tasks, and can limit the types of applications that can be built with Ruby on Rails. And the last reason is the limited concurrency support. Ruby on Rails uses a global interpreter lock, or GIL, to prevent multiple threads from executing Ruby code simultaneously. While this helps prevent race conditions and other concurrency issues, it also means that Ruby on Rails applications cannot fully utilize multiple CPU cores, which can limit their performance on modern multi-core systems. Overall, while Ruby on Rails is a powerful and versatile framework, it may not be the best choice for every project. If you need a framework with strong performance, low-level support, or concurrency features, you may want to consider an alternative framework for your project.